In this video, I'll show you how to download and install an AutoClicker on your PC. First, open your web browser and visit the AutoClicker website. Once you're on the website, click the Download button for your operating system. If you're using Windows, select the Windows version. If you're using a Mac, choose the Mac OS version. The download will begin automatically. Wait for the file to finish downloading. After the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. You can move the file to your desktop or any location you prefer for easy access. Now, double-click the installer file to launch it. If Windows displays a security prompt, click Run or Yes to continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Once installed, open the AutoClicker application. Adjust the settings according to your needs and save your preferences. After that, use the assigned hotkey to start the AutoClicker whenever you need it. That's it. This is how you can download, install, and use an AutoClicker on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.